Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this fish like on the water on Dress to Impress. If you look from afar, it does look like it, so just bear with me on that. I'm just going to delete all the items so I can show you guys a tutorial. So I just have on the Tens pose pack. The Tens pose on the ice skating pose pack. I'm just gonna also color myself this like blue here. And then for the outfit, we are going to use this dress here. I'm just not going to change the color on it. And then we're going to use the Trendsetter dress. Go to patterns and use this one. Then we're going to use this shirt here, color it this pattern. And then this scarf as well, we're going to color it that pattern. Then we're going to need these gloves here. Let's turn off the fur and we're going to color it orange. What else do we need from here? Nothing, I guess. So we're just going to move on to this area. We're going to get these sleeves and we are going to color it orange too. You do need VIP for this. I'm just gonna tell you that right now. Gonna go in here and we're going to use this hat. We're going to color it orange as well. Then what else do we need? We are going to use the pirate hat. And we're going to color that orange as well here. Select the cape and then do only cape heavy air. And then we're going to go to patterns and we're going to select this pattern. Then we're going to go here and we're going to get the Santa hat. Color it orange, the first toggle, and the second one, this cow pattern for the eyes. Then for the hair, go here and we're going to select this one, toggle it to more animated and color it same blue. And then we're going to use the Harley Quinn hair. Go to the no bangs one and we're going to color it orange like the rest. And that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Let me go to the photo studio, recording studio real quick. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button down below, and also if you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.